Family and relationships. Dig this. Mappineering is a great tool for organizing family activities and improving relationships. Yes, start with your family or relationship goal at the center. Branch out the key areas like communication strategies, family activities, relationship goals, and conflict resolutions. Use sub-branches to detail specific actions and schedules. This visual approach helps in organizing your thoughts and identifying areas needing improvement. It also makes it easier to share your plans with family members. Mind maps makes family and relationship planning more structured and effective. Can you dig it? I'm sure you will. Peace.